Hi, this is Suzanne Vasbinder with VXP Realty and the Vasbinder International Home Team. Today we are featuring 845 Southeast 41st Street in beautiful Cape Coral, Florida. Come on in and let's take a tour. This amazing courtyard home has over 2,400 square feet under air and features a guest house as well as 2 additional bedrooms and 2 bathrooms in the main portion of the house. The living room overlooks a peaceful pond, and one of my favorite features of this home is this beautiful koi pond. So what do you think? Are you ready to see this beautiful home? Give me a call at 239-357-8787. Once again, 239-357-8787.